What's up, guys? Today we are in the 2015 Nissan, the Sentra. We are driving to go see Aaron, and we're going to get the Ford Edge fixed. We got to get the caliper put on.
I need a caliper.
And that's basically the last repair for that car. And then that car has 2 new control arms, new front links, new rear links, new rear discs, new rear pads, new rear caliper.
I need a caliper.
New oil pressure sensor. Ugh, just so many things for that car. It's insane. But it's done. So that car's overall should be ready for sale. Next stop, Aaron's house. So we're pulling up at Aaron's house. Look at Mr. Aaron. Oh, he's gonna try and get in. This stuff.
I see.
You want to sit in the back seat?
Huh?
Just in the back seat. It's open.
Might as well taxi me to the park.
Aaron, I am
With
not
my
your
brake
taxi,
fluid
sir.
and my now found funnel.
And you now found funnel. Where was the funnel?
It was in the bottom of one of the milk crates. Black milk crate, black funnel, dark corner. Is there a rag somewhere in this car or the other car?
We'll figure it out. What do you need a rag for?
Sit under the hood, feeding brake fluid as it drips out, or what's the deal?
Oh yeah, we need some. No, we'll build a funnel out of this.
No,
box.
I brought a funnel.
Oh yeah. So what do you mean then?
No, I was just saying the brake fluid's going to be dripping out, so...
Let it drip.
Oh, this does not.
No, it does not look good. Let's see.
No brakes. On the edge, on the edge, on the edge. Ford! No brakes. I need a caliper. A brake caliper. I need a caliper. A brake caliper. Let's go! I got no brakes. Hey, I had to tell you that I tried to change the brakes on the Ford Edge, and then the brakes still didn't work properly. So I tried to bleed the brakes, and I ended up over tightening the bleeder screw, and now the oil is leaking out, and the Ford Edge has no brakes, and I'm still gonna move it and drive it to Aaron's house because I need a caliper, a brake caliper.
Don't know if we're going to have to do a bench bleed on an empty master cylinder.
No, we're not. We're gonna do a bleed, 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 bleed.
I mean, if it's empty, let's just see what happens here.
No, you're filling.
Okay, so there was still something in the reservoir.
You're full.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, shit. Thanks. Should have told me a little earlier.
It sucked it in though. That's crazy. It actually sucked it all in. Cool.
I mean, it sucked some of it in, and the rest of it is now in the parking lot. Am I driving that one back, or?
Yeah.
So just confirm the handbrake works in this thing?
No, we're gonna just do it because that's what we do on Scott's lot.
I would say try to avoid touching the brakes at all costs.
Cool. Great advice. Don't touch brakes.
No brakes!
Here we go. How to drive a car with no brakes.
No brakes!
Is this a good idea? No. Is this a bad idea? Yes. Are we about to do this? Yes. This car has no brakes.
No brakes!
This car has, if you ever seen it in the movies, they say like they cut the person's brake lines to kill them.
No brakes!
This car has cut brake lines. The bleed line is completely open, thus meaning every time I press the pedal or don't press the pedal, oil is leaking out. When I press the pedal, the system pressurizes with God knows how many PSI of pressure and pushing that oil out like a super soaker. I maybe get 4 pumps before there's no brakes left. This is incredibly dangerous. The brake lines are cut. So here we go. We're going to put it in reverse. Put our foot on the brake lightly to get it into reverse. Then once it's in reverse, we're going to pop it right into drive and try turning. So here we go. Ready? It's in reverse. Reverse. Oh no, don't come, car. Don't come. Don't come. Somebody's trying to come through and I can't because I can't back up. I can't press the gas. I'm sorry, miss. I'm sorry, miss. Okay, so now we're in neutral. She still wants to come around. Now we're in drive. I still haven't touched the brakes yet.
No brakes!
Still haven't touched the brakes yet. So we're going to try and drive at this speed. Aaron's just up there turning right now. And we're going to see, I mean, can we make it to Aaron's house without too much touching the gas or too much touching the brakes? Again, if I touch the gas like I just did, like an idiot, we're going to speed up. We can't slow down. There's a stop sign right there and a busy intersection. So we need to not touch the gas, try and roll there. Hopefully there's no police because I'm not stopping. Hey!
Hey, hey, no brakes. No brakes. On the edge, on the edge, on the edge. Forward. No brakes. I need a caliper, a brake caliper. I need a caliper, a brake caliper. Let's go!
All right, so that was sketchy, but we did it. We stopped, the car stopped. Now it's time to change that brake caliper.
I need a caliper.
Because it is, as you can see, right there by the drip.
Your wheel lock.
I got this. Wheel lock.
You want to jack me off?
I'll jack you off. The jack, so I can fully, properly jack it off. The jack is off the driveway. Ooh, look at you putting the high part on the jack even. Jack's erect. Let's fully jack you off. Jack you up. Let's fully jack it. I know you like when I jack it. Cool.
Hey, look at that, a caliper.
I need a caliper.
Thing, handbrake comes off. We've got his new tool out.
Ooh, that pinches a little bit. Didn't really need that skin.
Nope.
Seemed to be functioning without it, so.
Yeah, you've never actually needed that skin.
That's it.
It's not as important as one would think.
Certainly is
Bigger
something.
pliers. Oh, got an idea. You can release that spring. See the little slot to release the spring?
Oh, yeah. That might help, I guess.
That might help. But I'm making this up just by visually looking at it, so. It's got a slot. It just doesn't want to go inside the slot.
Yeah, there we go. All right.
Now, does this come off easier?
Handbrake cable removed.
Handbrake cable removed. New tool, first time using it.
Tool.
Boom, off. On the back of the welding table is a steel brush. Oh. Steel brush.
You.
I need a caliper.
Yeah. It's gushing, it's gushing. Go up, 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 up. There we go. I remember this. This was fun.
Back side.
Yeah, I see.
Front side, we just. Whoop.
Oh, look at you. It's like you've learned from your Scott's lotting. I still prefer watch Scott suffer.
Yeah, but Scott's getting good at this now, unfortunately. For you and the viewers. Hopefully the suffering will slowly dissipate.
Yep.
Are you seeing how easy that was?
I mean, that was easier than the last time I saw you do it.
The last time I did it, I fought and
There
fought
was some
and
fighting.
fought.
There was some fighting.
We can clip to that. Actually jams it in. So we're just gonna do that and that. Now, so
Yeah, the
this,
thick one was in the back because it was doing nothing.
you like the thick ones. You ever heard that Mobb Deep song? Thick
Sure.
ones?
I'm pretty sure it was called Shook Ones, but
No, thick ones. I'm pretty sure it was about chicken. I don't think I did. I don't think I tell you enough. I don't think I tell you enough how
diesel up.
amazing I am. Okay. Alright guys, so the moment of truth. This is twisted to shit. Comes like this, just like that. One bolt that doesn't want to go in.
You have to line it up. That's part of the trick.
Okay. I don't know about your party tricks, sir, but mine are different.
Try spinning on it. I don't think it's gonna help.
Oh, you gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing. You get me?
I'm just gonna slowly.
Tripping him in is not. Oh, that sounds like it's going all right. Kind of happy. Oh, look at that caliper lined up.
Okay, guys, that's a new brake caliper. Bleed this thing.
We'll get you a better bottle so you don't whine.
A bottle of wine? Oh, look at this guy. Fancy bottle. Can you put my hose in your hole?
Right deep in there.
Thanks. Super deep. So deep. Okay. That's on. That's there. Got it up and then I'm going to put it back on. Cool. We did it. It is just super excited. It just sneezed at me. Okay.
Okay, now it's tight.
Tight.
Okay,
Pump.
Smooth pump, 2 smooth pumps, 3 smooth pumps, and a push and hold.
And roll, you bitch. Supposed to go like that, like that, like that, like that.
Yes. Jack it
And
off.
then it's done. No, don't test drives. We don't test drive here. We fix. It's fixed. It's fixed. We're done.